giving to you about 25 dia into 105. By using the 3 jar check, opening the jars and keep the workpiece as maximum as inside the 3 jars check, like this. See here. So only when 10-15 mm must be outside the jars, and make it tight properly by using all the 3 keys, and keep the check key separate. So now we have to do the facing. Facing is the cleaning the front surface of the workpiece, rough surface of the workpiece, by feeding the tool perpendicular to the axis of the work. Before going to turning, we have to select the speed. For facing and turning operation, center drilling operation, we have to select the 500 RPM. So for 500 RPM, you can observe here that there is a chart showing the 500 RPM of the different lever positions. For 500, A, B, C, D lever is in the A position, and E and F lever is in the F position. So see, you can see here the lever position is in the A, and this position is in F. Then now the speed is 500. Okay. After that, you have to fix the turning tool slightly to the left side. It must not be a right angle. You keep it slightly towards the left side and make it lock. Then machine. And take the turning tool very near to the workpiece and slightly gently touch the tool on the work surface. See here. Now the tool is going to be touched with the workpiece, and then withdraw the tool towards yourself. Again, this tool has feed forward towards the center of the workpiece. See, you can observe the tool is going to be remove the material. The material has been removed. Okay, switch on the. So still it is required, some material has to be removed. Again, switch on the machine and give the one division of tool 0.25 mm has been advanced towards the workpiece, and feed the tool. Slowly you have to advance the tool towards the center of the workpiece. So the tool is going to be remove the material. When the tool is reaches the center of the workpiece, then withdraw the tool and switch off the machine. Okay? Clear. So this is known as the facing operations. The center drilling and the face of the workpiece. For this operation, we have to use the center drill with check, which previously fixed with the check. Then the same way, the center drill is also be fixed in the tie star as we fixed in the revolving center, in way of the revolving. So now center drill is fixed. So just move the tie star towards the workpiece, very near to the workpiece, but it should not be touched with the center, the workpiece. Then we have to lock the tie star by using 26 spanner. Okay, tie star must be locked. So again, next, the speed is for center drilling is also remain 500. Then switch on the machine and feed the center drill against the rotation of the workpiece. See, you can observe the tool is going to be perform the drilling operation on the face of the workpiece. Here the center drill has to move 75% of that bevel shape. See, this is the bevel shape. Here in the center drill, it has to move more than 50%. See, so this much has to move, and you can see the profile of the center drill. Okay. So next. After completion of the center drill, we have to remove the workpiece and take it outside the rejar check and keep it around 25 mm inside the check and take the support of the revolving center like this. See, like this we have to take the support and fix the workpiece and make it tight. So again we have to tight the tie stroke also. Now you can see the revolving center is also rotating with the workpiece by giving the support to the workpiece. Okay, now we are going to perform the plain turning operation of the workpiece by reducing the diameter 25 into 19 for a length of 20 mm, 15 mm. As per the drawing, this length is 50 mm, 15 mm, diameter is 19. So for this operation, the tool must be a perpendicular to the workpiece. The tool must be a perpendicular to the workpiece and lock it. For this, you can control the length by the carriage itself. First, we have to take the tool and touch with the work surface. The tool has to touch with the work surface, and then make it this graduated collar to the 0 position. By holding the wheel, you can rotate the collar towards left and right and make it 0 with coincide with the reference line. Okay. Then the same way we can touch the tool in the diameter surface of the workpiece with the tool and make it the graduation collar here also 0. So now I have to control the diameter and the length with the carriage itself. Now again the speed is 500 cm. Start the machine and going to touch the tool on the diameter surface and make it 0. Take it outside. So you have to give the 5 divisions of the depth of cut and feed the length. See here, one division is equal to 0.25. We want to move 15 mm. So we can see here 10 division is equal to 2.5, 20 is 5 mm, 30 is 7.5, 40 is 10 mm, 50 is 12.5, 60 is 15 mm. So from here to 0 to 60 division, we can control the length of 15 mm. Again take it back the tool and give again 5 divisions and move to 60. So repeat this operation up to retrieve the diameter of the 19 mm.